एनडीए सरकारान नोटबंदी करून कितें साध्य केलें तें कळूंक ना, मात बारीक लोकांक बरेच त्रास केले. एनडीए सरकारांत अल्पसंख्यांकांचेर अन्याय जाता. एनडीए सरकार देशाक फाटीं व्हरता अशी टिका काँग्रेसीचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष आनी आमदार लुइजीन फालेरो हांणी केल्या. एनडीए सरकार 3 वर्सां पुराय करता ताचे फाटभुंयेर तांणी केंद्र सरकाराचेर टिका केल्या. डेस्क गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
As far as the NDA completing 3 years, I feel that in terms of inclusive growth, in terms of inclusive development, inclusive progress, the country is going in a retrograde step. There is so much of despair, there is so much of uncertainty with the things happening all over the country. Even yesterday we have seen on the television the lynching of people presuming that they are eating the beef. They have already killed innocent people earlier and it is continuing. So the minorities are living in fear. Every decision which is taken by the central government has led to uncertainty and despair. For example, the demonetization has led to the deaths of more than 150 people. Finally, what is achieved, I don't know, because all the money which was supposed to be black money has come back into in the banks, except that this step of demonetization was taken just a month before the elections in 6 or 7 states. So I feel the central government has done the demonetization because of the elections and punished the nation and killed 150 people. Now similarly, the steps which they are taking today is a retrograde step, is not as per the ethos and culture of our country and is not definitely as per the Constitution of India.